Here we go. We have a big guy. And tell me what's the front car. 4.2 RAM. This is an airbag off-road car with unique sheet metals. And he's drag a black series trailer. And this black series is really a heavy duty one. And you can see from here. He's using D03435 coupler. And the two safety chains is quite stronger. And you see it has the manual brake and it's heavy duty. This is his chassis. This is his chassis. Let's take a whole picture. Black Series HQ12. This one is made in China. I know this is a foreign product. You see from the outside, he has a speaker and a side tent. The side tent I think is 2.5 meters. It has the protection bar for side protection and an independent suspension system. That's all. Black Series. This customer just passing by.